And today we bring to you the program.
Nakivubo Stadium. Nakivubo War Memorial Stadium, commonly referred to as Nakivubo Stadium, is a multi-purpose stadium located in the central business district of Kampala city, Uganda. Has a long history dating back to the early 1950s when it was first constructed. The stadium has served as a hub for sports activities and other events in the country, hosting both national and international matches, as well as music concerts, political rallies and other social gatherings. However, over the years, the stadium had fallen into disrepair with dilapidated facilities and inadequate seating capacity, leading to the closure of the stadium in 2014. The Ugandan government, in partnership with private investors, embarked on an ambitious plan to redevelop the stadium, aiming to transform into a world-class sporting and entertainment facility. The stadium also lacked the modern amenities necessary to host high-profile international sporting events, which limited its potential to generate revenue. The redevelopment of Nakivubo Stadium, which began in 2016, involved a complete overhaul of the stadium's infrastructure, including the installation of new turf, the construction of modern changing rooms and the expansion of the seating capacity to 34,000. The stadium's design also incorporated state-of-art facilities such as VIP boxes, conference rooms and restaurants to enhance the overall spectator experience.
Feel free to share this video and others on your social media networks, Facebook, Instagram, among others, so as to increase its reach across the globe.
In addition to the physical transformation, the redevelopment of Nakivubo Stadium has also had a positive impact on the local economy, creating job opportunities and boosting tourism. The stadium's expansion capacity has attracted high-profile sporting events. Stadium redevelopment project has not been without its challenges, with concerns raised over the cost of the project and the potential impact on the surrounding community. Some critics argue that the funds allocated to the project could have been better used to address other pressing social and economic issues facing the country, such as poverty and access to healthcare. Despite these challenges, the redevelopment of Nakivubo Stadium has been hailed as a major success, transforming the stadium into a world-class facility that is capable of hosting high-profile sporting and entertainment events. The African Nations Cup qualifiers. The project serves as a statement to the importance of investing in sports infrastructure and the potential of such investments to stimulate economic growth and development.
Email us at gabiwater12@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on 072-606-5123. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube